customer concern, heater's not working. As you can see, it's 25 degrees Celsius. And the passenger side is nearly 40 degrees Celsius. The coolant level is okay. Check the coolant hose. It's going to be heater matrix. Looks okay. Warm. I believe the coolant heater matrix is blocked. Check for any fault codes in the system. No fault codes regarding the coolant or any vent air gone flap.
Thank you very much, boss.
Remove the few screws. Here, 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 and then here. Remove the radio. And some few screws underneath as well. Remove all the connections. Here, here. And there's the heater matrix right there. Okay. Remove that by pulling up, and then there's two connection. So holding by the clip. As you can see, it's 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the chrome clip. It might break it, so order a new one. Part number will be in the description. And after that, grab hold of that and pull it upwards, and you should be able to remove that. Okay. Pry that out. Comes out. Before it comes out, there's the onto that clip, and then you have 4 screws. Remove both sides. Remove the 4 screws. 2, 3, 4. Now we have more excess room to work on. So here's the heater matrix. Now remove the heater element, electrical. Remove all the screws from here. remove all the screws from here, and then comes off. Now make sure you got enough rags. Coolant's gonna come out. Remove the two coolant hoses going to the heater matrix, because 1 and 2 up and bottom. Remove that screw and remove this. Just tab, lift this tab up, lift. Remove by lifting this tab up and then slide it down. Now be ready to, coolant's gonna fall off, so make sure got plenty of rags in. Remove the blower motor. 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3 screws, and some tabs. 1 tab, 2 tab. Okay. Okay. Doing a water test. Seems it's partially blocked. Replace both the O-rings. put everything, screws back in, everything back in order. Thank you for watching. Thank you. As you can see, it's 75 degrees Celsius and it's warm.